with chapter 4. This is about practical geometry. We have learned about many shapes, like in class, up to class 7, we have learned about triangles and their construction. And in your previous chapter, that was about quadrilaterals. So in this chapter, we will learn about the construction of quadrilateral, right? Now let's take the questions of exercise 4.1. Question 1 is, construct the following quadrilaterals. First, we'll draw the first part. Quadrilateral ABCD, in which measurements are given as AB is equals to 4.5, BC 5.5 centimeters, CD 4 centimeters, AD 6 centimeters, and AC 7 centimeters. I have already told you, by the given measurements, you have to always draw the rough diagram. That means you have to sketch the rough diagram first. So you will be able to draw the detailed steps, or you will be able to easily find out how to start. Right? So first draw the rough diagram. We can see that we had drawn AC is the diagonal 7 centimeters, right? Now we know that if you want to split your construction, you can see that you have to draw two triangles using triple S construction, right? You have two triangles ABC and ADC. Let's draw the triangle ABC first. What you have to do is, I am explaining the detailed construction here. First, just take your ruler and draw a line. BC is equals to 5 centimeter. I am explaining step by step. You have drawn BC is equals to 5 centimeter. Now, open your compass of length of wide 4.5 centimeter and put the tip of your compass on point B and cut an arc of 4.5 centimeter. Now put it on C and draw an arc of 7 centimeter. Where both the arcs intersect, that will be your point A. So join A point to B and A point to C. So you will get your triangle ABC using triple S construction. Now in the second step, we know that vertex D is 6 centimeter away from A. So just put the tip of the compass on point A and cut an arc of radius 6 centimeter. Now let's move on to the third step. What we have to do is that D point is 4 centimeter away from C. Now put the tip of your compass and cut an arc of radius 4 centimeter. Where both the arcs intersect, that will be your point D. So join D point to A and D point to C. So finally you get the ABCD quadrilateral. Now the third part. We have to draw the parallelogram MORE, that is more. We have given OR is equals to 6 centimeter, RE is equals to 4.5 centimeter, EO is equals to 7.5 centimeter. Listen, we have learned about the properties of the parallelogram, that the opposite sides are parallel and equal. So we do not have to fear here that we do not have sufficient data. We have sufficient data, but you have to merge it with your previous knowledge about parallelograms, right? So what you have to do is, first we have to sketch a rough diagram. We have to sketch a rough diagram MORE. OR is 6 centimeters. So ME will also be 6 centimeter, because in a parallelogram the opposite sides are of equal length. Similarly, we are given that RE is equals to 4.5 centimeter. So obviously OM will be also 4.5 centimeter, and the diagonal EO is 7.5 centimeter. This is the sketch, rough sketch of your given parallelogram, right? Now we have to move on to the real figure. The first step will be, again, we have to draw the basic triangle EOR. First draw the line OR 6 centimeter, then cut an arc of radius 7.5 centimeter from the point O, then cut an arc of 4.5 centimeter from point R. So where both the arcs intersect, that will be your point E. Join E point with O and R. So you will get your triangle EOR. Remember, you always have to mark the measurements on the sides. Like I have marked OR is equals to 6, ER 4.5. You always have to mention their lengths on the side. Now it is given that vertex M is 4.5 centimeter away from vertex O and 6 centimeter away from vertex E. So Put your tip of the compass on O and mark and take a radius of 4.5 centimeter and mark and cut an arc. Now put the tip on E and cut an arc of radius 6 centimeter. Where both the arcs meet, that will be a point that will be a point M. Now you have to join the point M with O and E, and also write their measurements or their lengths. On OM you have to write 4.5 centimeter, and on EM you have to write 6 centimeter. So now following these steps, we have constructed the Moore parallelogram, that is MORE is the required parallelogram.